Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making this gorgeous banana bread with whole wheat flour. So let's begin. So first of all, you're gonna need 3 ripe bananas. So these are really ripe bananas and they're very soft and it'll be very easy to work around. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in powdered sugar and I'm going to mash this all up. You can use a fork to do this. Now goes in half a cup of oil and milk, and then we're gonna whisk this all up really well. Now for the dry mix, you're gonna need some whole wheat flour or atta that we have at our place, and then I'm going to add in the basic baking soda, baking powder. Now ensure you sift the flour because that will give us the very necessary air pockets. So for the spices, I'm going to use clove powder and cinnamon powder. They give a lovely flavor to it. You can omit clove powder, but cinnamon is highly recommended. Now you can experiment a little bit with maybe cardamom powder or something like that. Something that works really well for you, but cloves and the cinnamon, they work wonders for me. So now I'm gonna slowly fold the dry mix into my wet mix, and then after that I'm going to add in some dry fruits. So I've added a variety of dry fruits, but walnuts and raisins work so well in this. Now after this, this is an additional banana. This just adds to the feel of it, and it looks really pretty with it. So this is completely optional, but then I had an extra banana, and I thought this looked really nice like that. And after this, we're completely done, and I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. It's gonna take a little more time, so it's gonna take around 35 to 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius in the middle rack. Thank you so much for watching and do try the recipe. It's a great one, trust me. So see you later.